What's up, everybody? I am rolling this out today. I'm going to get these videos. I have a few I need to really crunch down on, but I got a lot of stuff going on in life. I have started esthetician school and I am very excited about that. So if you want to know about that journey, please let me know in the description box. And I will definitely start uploading those videos. I have learned a whole lot in a very short time. And I'm really excited because I'm ready to start this journey in my life. And I've been wanting this for as long as I can remember. I'm 41 now. I remember being 18, really wanted to go into cosmetology at that time. I'm glad I didn't. But it just didn't work for me. And, you know, life just happened. So I'm really excited about this journey in my life. But that's not what this video is about. This video, I'm about to come for them. This video is a review and a follow-up. So I want to really take some time on this video and give you the gist of the juice going on. And if you were wondering what this lip color I have on, this is actually CoverGirl matte lipstick and it is the color Wine O'Clock. I did do a review on it. I will leave the description in the box. Don't sleep on these, baby, because baby, these are the one. Okay, so let's get into it. So I purchased some Lashify as I dropped it. If you don't know about Lashify, Lashify is a brand where they sell their own hold on. Here you go. They sell their own lashes and their own lash glue. And I went online because I want to find the best lash glue to review for you and to have in my staple when I do lashes. So I ran across this, which I'm going to get to, so stay tuned to the end of the video so I can give you the on this. So I ordered Lashify, okay? I ordered two of them. I ordered like a light hold and a super hold, okay? I did not order their lashes, okay? And the reason why I did not order their lashes is because I was not paying $22 for lashes when they look just like any other lashes that I have in my, my makeup box. So I did not order their lashes and they were $22. Was not going to do that. So I ordered just the glue. And I don't know if I ordered the right glue or the wrong glue, but the glue I ordered were two of these, okay? So when in the process of me ordering this, I always do my research. I always look and try to see what the latest is, what the latest glues are, what the latest lashes and everything. I could not see myself paying $22 for some individual lashes. I just couldn't, okay? I'm on a budget. You're probably on a budget. If you're not, I guess you balling, because I'm not. And so I just did not do that. I just ordered the glue. The glue cost me about $50, okay? Which is very expensive for glue. But I'm thinking it's a bigger bottle than this. So let's go ahead and just get it. Because when you look online, they're giving it such great reviews and everything. So I was like, why not? Went ahead and ordered it. Sat down to do a video for you. And I literally was upset because it did not work for me. You hear what I'm saying? It did not work for me. And I don't know if it's because something that I was doing, or maybe was I supposed to order their lashes, but it just did not work for me. And I actually went through maybe like 6-pack of lashes. Like the individuals, I went through the single, I went through a strip. I was like, maybe I'm doing something wrong. I had it all over my hands. It was all, I had my makeup done. I had to take off my makeup because it was all over the place. I was like, when I tell you I was irritated, and I was like, how are you reviewing it and you're saying it's working? It did not work for me. And I don't know if I got the wrong one. If I did get the wrong one, let me know in the comments if I got the wrong one. Because it just did not work for me. And for me to spend $50 on lash glue is just not in the budget when you're in the middle of what's going on. You know what I'm saying? So I was not really happy about that. And I'm telling you, I spent maybe an hour on trying to attach these lashes to my lash. I did it on top. I did it on the bottom. I was just like dumbfounded. So I went on to the site. I was like, maybe it only worked with their lashes. And I didn't see anything that said that. Well, maybe I missed it. If you saw it, let me know. I just did not get a good batch, or it just didn't work for me. I just don't know. And I'm really mad because I spent a lot of money on this. And I said, I'm going to give it another try. It comes with this like little brush on the end of it. I don't really understand what that is about. And even when I brushed it and put the lashes on, they just would not stick. They would not stick. When I tell you I was irritated, and I had did my makeup and everything, I had to take everything off because all my eyes was all black from just trying to get it on, and it just did not work for me. Okay, it didn't work for me. So I was really pissed. Okay, really I can't use it. I don't know what to use it for. I'd rather go back to my old method before I continue to use that, because it didn't work. So that's where I am about Lashify. If you had a better outcome than me, then let me know, because it just did not work. And I bought 2 of them. And then I first was using the light, whatever the light one is called, the flexible bond whisper light. I used that one. I said, okay, well, maybe that's it. Maybe I'm just using the wrong one. I used the other one with the charcoal, whatever it's called. I don't even know what the thing. I threw the thing in the corner somewhere. I was so mad. That didn't work either for me. So I just don't know. It bothers me that people get on here and say, oh, it's just the best thing in the whole wide world. There is no amount of money in the world for me to... No, I'm just joking. But there's no amount of money in the world for me to come on here and tell you something is wonderful when it's not. Because at the end of the day, it comes back on you. I'm a real upfront person. And, I like to tell the truth from the beginning. You know what I'm saying? So it just did not work for me. And I'm really mad because I spent $50 on this stuff. And this stuff is not cheap. $22 for some individual. No, I won't be in my face. No, I won't be on my face. No, not for me. So, let's get back to Moitie. Okay, Moitie. It better be sealed something in here. Let me see. Moitie is a very extremely small bottle. Okay? Very extremely small. I don't think I spent $20 on this. I don't think I did. I think it was more $10, $15 maybe. I don't recall because I bought a kit. But I will tell you this. This worked way better than any lash glue I have came across recently. So the thing that I did like about this is it dried quickly. Okay? You can't be messing around with this. It dries quickly. And the lashes that they send you in this kit are way too thick for this. The band is way too thick. I wouldn't suggest using them. Get you some individuals. Do with that. And I went underneath. I don't do on top. I do underneath. Okay. So that one works good. The only thing I didn't like about it is it was very strong, and I have a latex allergy. So it was really strong for my eyes, and my eyes kept watering. Maybe because I haven't did any individual lashes on myself in a long time. I don't really do them on me. So you have to have a fan. Other than that, I got a fan. I was fine. Nothing to be all worried about, okay? I got a fan. I was good. So like I said, the lash that came with the kit, way too thick. Way too thick. I liked using the individual. You get it from the beauty supply for a few dollars and use them. Now, the other thing I like about this, I use very small drops. When I was trying to use the Lashify, I turned it on this back and it was like plop. I was like, oh God, now I'm wasting product. This one, very light, boom. you're good. This is professional grade, but I don't necessarily know if it lasts very long because I don't really hear anything in it, and I only used it twice. So I would suggest getting multiple of these and having them in your box when you do your lashes, and have your fan because it's very strong. They last about, I think I had them lashes on for like 14 days. I was ready for them to go because I started losing ones, and then I had like one here, and so they sent, well, no, they didn't send. I ordered a remover from them. Didn't like the remover. It got into my eyes. It was burning. It was terrible. I wasn't just using it. But if you want to, go ahead. They have other removers that you can buy. I just use a little bit of Vaseline, let it sit, and then I just peeled them off, and they were fine. I had to take them bad boys off because they would last. I think I could have got about a good maybe 15 days out them lashes. Maybe. They did get a little crunchy at the end. They were a little crunchy, but I wasn't really bothering them. And when I got in the shower, because I don't have any hair, I washed my hair, and the water's running. They didn't come off for that. I mean, I was really outdone with that, with this product. So if I had a choice to pick one or the other, I will always pick this Moitie. I might be saying it wrong. This, I don't think so. So do your research. I mean, what I'm saying is not the holy grail. It's not the end of the world. Light going. You see what I'm saying? The light always going. It's not the end of the world. You don't have to buy just because I'm saying it. You may get a different result. You may like Lashify. Hey, kudos to you. Or you may like the morning. It might work for you. Or it might be vice versa. That's okay. If you have any other questions for me, leave them in the comment box, and I will try my best to answer them. Like I said, I am currently in school, and I still do work, and I do have a big family. So I will definitely try to get to you as fast as I can. Until then, if you come across another lash glue besides the ones that I have reviewed on my channel, or you have any other questions, hit me up. Let me know. If you run across something good, send it to me. I'll put my email down there, and then email me, and I can, give you the information how you're going to send it to me or whatever. If you run across something really good, I may not have, I may not be able to get my hands on, but you got your hands on it, let me know. I'll pay for it. Don't make no big difference to me. But if you're out there, just be safe, be careful, and peace out.